So what I decided to do was to start this year's winter upgrade project to the Polaris Ranger. So this is a 570. It's a mid-size, or a two-seater, that's what they call it. It's 2016. I'm going to install a 2.5-inch lift kit from Marshall Motor Wire, and I'm also going to install a new set of wheels and tires. I've got a set of Sedona ripsaw tires and a set of Sedona 14-inch rims that are coming, and the tires are 27-inch. So I'm not a professional mechanic, but I'm not afraid to try. So this is to kind of document my process, what I go through here to get this done, and not really meant to be a how-to video or anything like that. If you want a good how-to video, go to YouTube and look up Marshall Motor Wire, and Chris, the owner, does an absolutely fantastic job on that video. Hope you enjoy it, and I'm going to get started. Okay, I'll start by opening the kit. A couple of stickers. Lovely. Hardware. These are the brackets for the rear. And these are the inserts for the front. Okay, so let's open them up. I'm going to start at the front. There you go. There's the two inserts for the front strut. There are the two rear brackets and the hardware. The hardware all gets used on the rear. Looks like it's all there. Now I'm going to jack her up. Try to start to come clear. Another little bit.
After 3 minutes of fiddling, I finally got the strut to come out from under the strut mount.
There's that nut. That's on the same nut you have to bolt it. You gotta loosen off. It's holding the brake line, so just get that out of here. Okay, should come right out. It does. New spacer on. Let it back down. Nope. Okay, I'll try bringing it up a little bit. CV joint in the way. Something did. Okay. Lower that slowly. Watch Chris's video. I'm just going for this to get all the way down. You can hear at the bottom of the strut. And it is, you can see that black there. That's the bottom of the strut. So that side went back in place easier than the other side for some reason. Looks good. Not too bad. So, surrender back up. I'm gonna have to try and find out what the proper torque is on these.
Shortly after this, I realized that I should have been using 2 wrenches to loosen and tighten the top nut on the strut. There's a hex shape on the shaft right at the very top of the strut. You put one wrench on and the other wrench goes on the nut to tighten and loosen. With that, the front is done. On to the back.
Which one you got done?
I get the 2 front ones done. This one is almost done. This one is done.
So what's it doing bringing the chassis up?
Where it does up, just look here.
This minute.
This is the part here on the back.
Yeah.
Front is different. So,
Okay.
that little piece there.
Yeah.
Shock used to bolt in right there.
Yeah.
Now it bolts in right here.
Right.
That just changes the geometry a little bit and raises
Right.
it up. So one side done. Let's just go over now. Other side. There she is. She certainly appears to be sitting a lot higher to me. Next big thing now is to get the wheels on, new tires and wheels, and actually take it for a ride and see if it makes any kind of a difference, any appreciable difference to the suspension.